Facebook offer ads offer. Seeking means to improve your sales online and offline? Obviously you are. If you have not yet tested Facebook offer ads, this will get you started right here and right now. Facebook offer ads offer an offer to lure potential customers to buy. These adjustable mobile-only ads are excellent for both bricks and mortar places as well as the commercial brands, as they provide optionals to claim offers in-store and also online. Facebook offer advertisements examples. Facebook deal advertisements examples through Adweek. This is an overview to Facebook deal advertisements. I'm going to inform you everything you need to get started. You'll learn exactly how to produce these deal ads, exactly how to set up your Facebook deal campaign, plus suggestions on exactly how to maximize your advertising for success. Let's get started. How to create Facebook offer ads. To create a deal ad, head over to Ad Supervisor and pick a web traffic conversion or store website traffic project objective. Individuals that claim on the internet deal will certainly get a discount code, as well as will then be sent out to your website to store. If your offer is for in-store purchasing, individuals will get a barcode or a QR code that can be later made use of on their mobile phones at a checkout. Next up, head to the advertisement established level to the section labeled Offers, where you'll see a toggle button. Change it to On. Select On for Facebook deal ads. As a heads up, if you select traffic as your campaign objective, this selection will certainly show up, yet grayed out if you're maximizing for touchdown page views, which is the automatic selection. Now to fix this, head towards the bottom of the window to the optimized and deliveries section, as well as you have to click link clicks as your selection for optimize for ad shipment, optimization, and also distribution arrangements for Facebook deal ads. If you have a physical shop area and also select the shop website traffic campaign goal, yet receive this mistake message, you will first need to include your company area or areas from your Facebook organized web page. Directions on how to accomplish this can be located right here. A quick creation for Facebook offer ads. Once you enable offers and pick the correct optimization function, click Develop Offers in the ad established degree. A brand new window will show up where you can establish the information, runtime, offer redemption type, online, in-store or both, discount code type, and also total deals available. This is fantastic due to the fact that it implies you can establish the regards to the offers you want to promote. Create offer step in Facebook deal ads arrangements. Next off, pick your spending plan, audience, and ad positionings. When you proceed to the advertisements level, Both fixed images and also video creatives are readily available choices for Facebook offer ads. If you have video clip material relevant to your campaign and also target market, we motivate screening. That supple activity goes a long way in captivating users as they scroll down feeds. Obtain your potential customers to stop on mobile and also see your ad, then entice them with your advertising copy as well as special deals to click and also potentially convert. Just how to compete in Facebook roadmap. Enhance for the outcome you are looking for. If your goal is to drive conversions on your website, make that your goal. It will further boost your chances of success. Select a lifetime budget plan that works for you. Know your promotion. Concentrate on the worth recommendations, innovative as well as copy to general obtaining a competitive advantage. Bid a budget smartly. Leverage what you know about the Facebook public auctions to bid competitively with your budget plan. Win. Innovative competitive advantage. In addition to the substantial technicality capabilities it uses, what makes Facebook one of the best platforms for marketers today is its ability to compensate top quality advertising and marketing. If you're going to invest cash on marketing, no matter what the channel, you need to develop value in order for that investment to be beneficial. The beauty of paid networks like Facebook ads and also Google AdWords is that you have the right technique as well as capabilities to play the game well. You can take on virtually any type of spending plan. Now, I hope some of this has helped you. If you like my videos, please press the like button. Also, there's a bell up the top. Press that and click all, and you'll get informed when my next video is up. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching and cheerio.